You want to look for consistently high ratings and good, high quality customer feedback. So if you're looking at a contractor, you're looking at their reviews on Google, you notice they have 200 reviews. That's a good indication, better than, a contractor that maybe only has 20, 30, 40 reviews. And then you want to kind of expand on those. You want to say, okay, they're kind of above like a 4.5, but what do those reviews look like? Are they actually calling out specific things about their experience? I will say everybody has, a bad review here and there. That happens. Just part of getting out there, putting yourself out there and really working with homeowners. Sometimes things go wrong. What you want to look for is, are contractors responding to those reviews? Are they, do you have other reviews that say, yeah, a couple hiccups happened, but here's how they handled it. Here's how this company dealt with those issues and really helped me to have a satisfied, experience at the end. Another thing that's really important to think about when you're trying to pick a contractor is credentials. Are they licensed and insured? If you're looking at getting your siding replaced with James Hardie, you're looking for windows. Is that company certified with James Hardie? Are they an elite contractor with James Hardie's Alliance program? Is this a Pella certified contractor? Bellwether is a James Hardie Elite Preferred Contractor. We've been in James Hardie's Alliance program for 7 years, and from our very first year, we were at that top ranking. We are maintaining our insurance, we are maintaining our licensing in each municipality, we're pulling permits, doing things right. Bellwether is also a Pella certified contractor. We are certified with Pella to install their windows. We're doing everything in the right way to maintain your lifetime warranties. You want to make sure that when you're looking for a contractor that is certified with the products that they're installing, that they're doing those installations in a way that's helping them maintain those warranties. So you're getting the good warranties on your finished product. One of our promises to our customers is that we empower you, our customer, to make informed decisions. So when we come out and we meet with you at your house, we're going to be walking around looking at your house, but we're going to be asking you questions to try to find out what's important to you. Not only that, we're not going to be there to try to give you a hard pitch and close you on the spot. That is really common in our industry. Instead, we're going to be asking you questions, trying to figure out what's important to you, and then we're going to be trying to educate you and give you a lot of information to help you make the best decision for your home. It's your home. You're the hero of this story here. We're just here to guide you along the way to make the best decision for your home.